Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the cat and the tac commands. Now the cat command will display files to standard output, and it will also concatenate files. Now there are a number of useful options for cat. Now the dash uppercase A is equivalent to VET. Okay, now the uppercase E will display a $ at the end of each line, the dash N will display line numbers, the dash S will suppress repeated empty lines, which basically means if you've got 3 blank lines in a row, it'll just show 1. The uppercase T will display the tab characters as the caret I or the control I. Dash V will show non-printing characters except for LFD and tab, and dash VET is what you use for diagnostics. It will display non-printing characters including tab, line ends, etc. So a lot of system administrators have the saying, you got to take the cat to the vet. So if you've got a problem and you're looking at a file, use dash V. But there is the dash A option now. I don't know how long dash A has been there, but it does everything as well. So, but I put this in here because a lot of courses include it, a lot of books. It's I guess it's the more traditional way of doing it. Okay, and the tac command will display files in reverse to standard output. So now I'm going to show you some of this in action. So I'm going to show you a file that I've created called cat test. So you can see this is text, this has tabs, there is 3 blank lines below, and there are 3 blank lines above. Now if I do uppercase E, it shows the line endings. If I do an S, you can see that it's turned this into one line. Now an easier way to see that would be to go ES, and you can see that it's put a $ there for the end of the lines. Now if we do the uppercase T, you can see that it's put the tab, a symbol there for tabs instead of actually doing it. You could go VET, which shows everything there. You could do VETS to suppress that into one line, and of course the dash A will show everything as well, and you could do dash AS, which is the same as vets. Now I guess in here you might be wondering, well, why would you do vets or dash A? So in here I've created a little test shell script that basically just displays two characters. Now if we just do cat on this test.sh file, you can see that it looks all good. You've got the shebang, bin bash, or bin shell I should say, and you got the 2 echo lines. But if this was a DOS file, like let's say that somebody made it in DOS, or I guess Windows, and then you try to run the file, it throws an error. It's like, oh, I'm not happy, and you might go, oh, I wonder what's going on. Let's have a look at this file, and you're going, well, it looks all good to me. So if the file looks all okay, you might be wondering, well, what's going on? So what we can do is we can do cat-vet on the test.sh file, and you see here, oh, we've got these weird characters in here. That's why it's not working. So then you might go, well, this file was created on Windows, so it has weird file extensions. So we could do DOS to Unix on test.sh, converts it, and now when we run it, it's happy. And that's because if we run the command, it no longer has these special characters in there. It's just got normal line endings. So it will run happily. So the other command I haven't shown you is tac, and if we do tac on test.sh, you can see that it just displays the file in reverse. So instead of it being bin sh at the top, you can see it's down the bottom. It's reversed the order. And I will end the video there.